My conspiracy novel to be the evil genius who takes over the world would be to destroy everyone's microbiome. So now that they're anxious little, can't think on their own, can't come up with a sound decision on their own accord, because they have a destroyed microbiome, they would be unhealthy. They would be psychologically unhealthy. They wouldn't be rested. And that is an easy way to control the population. And when you look around you, that this is exactly what's happening. And people will post videos, and this is their dinner, and you're looking at what they're eating. They're acting neurologically like unsound, like they're anxious, they're crazy, and I'm looking at what they're eating. I'm like, can you see? There's an associate. They're trying to kill you. There's the association. I know if you just drop dead today, they get charged with murder. But if they're going to murder off your microbiome, that's an untraceable crime. They're
Yeah.
getting you to do it on purpose. They're asking you to put antimicrobials in everything for the fear of germs. Fearing germs is a human emotion. It's very easy to sell clean, clean, clean. You want clean. And so we lather down our homes in antimicrobial everything, and our poor children are growing up with no bacterial reference point. That's injury number one to their immune systems and injury number one to their microbiology. Right? Kids
Wow.
need to roll around in the dirt. They need to be licked in the face by the dog. They do. Yes, they need to wash their hands. I get that. But but having said that, if you it start the microbiome damage starts very, very young. And it's the reason I am against these childhood vaccines, because I'm 100% convinced that they interact with the microbiome. And I believe that we will find that that is the case.
Well, it's interesting. Dr. Ryan Cole, you may be familiar with him. I remember I was in Idaho, so he's a board certified pathologist,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
was talking about microbiome back in 2020, and
Yes.
everyone thought he was freaking crazy.
Yes.
And I mean, and so it's fascinating to me that it's just now kind of getting, more and more people are paying attention. But